to the demo for Fee Finder Pro. Wanted to show you this really cool software. I think you're going to like it. So you come down here and you can calculate your Amazon FBA fees and your FBM fees. You can do it completely free. So you can go in here. Here's the Amazon Profitability Calculator. And I'll show you how it works. For this, we're going to use our disposable face towels. And you can see this has already been optimized for the product bullets and for the title based on the avatar. If you want more information on that, check out our persona factor. But for this, we are going to go ahead and put in these, and really cool. It's going to show you what is going to be our ideal price. Okay, so we're going to come in here and we are going to go ahead and face towels, put in all of your information. Length on this product's 10 by 12 by 10. Weight was half a pound. Category on this is beauty. And you can see we have all the categories. There's over 25 of them, so you select which one yours so we can figure out the appropriate fees. You can start by selecting your FBA or your FBM, and here's where the real magic happens. $9.95 product cost. This costs about 75 cents. Packaging costs us 25. Inbound, we'll put that at 30 cents. We got some additional options. This is where you can put what amount of ad spend you're going to spend to advertise this product and what your profit margin you would like. Go ahead and fill out all your information, hit your calculate profitability, and right now at $9.95 we're going to get $3.54 per product sale. If it's just one break-even price, we have to sell it for $6.41. But it's really cool in here. There's a lot of things you can go ahead and you can change to add some advertising, your advertising spend. And what really cool is you can do your optimize my price with AI. And you click on that, it's going to go out there and it's going to look at what the best price is, give you a full description of why you should be charging that price. You can do compare FBA to FBM. And then once you got everything like you like it, you can go ahead and save it. You can save as a favorite, or you can export that so you can save it on your personal hard drive. All of these other features are also free right now. It's in beta, and so you can use those completely free. You just have to go ahead and sign in and become a premium user, but it is in beta. But all of this is completely free to use. You can play with your pricing. You can figure out where you should be pricing, and then once you do it, you can compare your FBA versus your FBM. You can come in here and you can check out my favorite feature is optimize price with AI. So you go ahead and click on that. Once you got it, you analyze the price, and it's going to come back here and give you best pricing strategies on where you should charge based on your goals for profitability for this product, how much you're going to advertise. 75% confidence. You can move the needle up and down. You can see all the different results, and it's going to give you the best way to go ahead and figure out your pricing. Okay, so go ahead and play around with this tool. Let us know what you think to info@trueonlinepresence.com, and look forward to hearing from you.